In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore your Shopify store. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is go to admin.shopify.com and log into your account. Now you want to go to online store right here on the left side. So if you want to restore your store, so if you have made changes to your store and you want to restore it to the default version, so what you can do is simply scroll down to your theme library and add a theme. So you can either visit the theme store right here. So in my case, I already added this theme, so this Sense theme. So if this is your original store, what you want to do is just click publish right here. Now again, you want to click on publish, and now it is now your current theme. So now if you want to have the old version or the default version of the Dawn theme, just simply click on add theme, click on visit theme store. And from here in the theme store, you just need to search for the Dawn theme. So just click here, Dawn theme, click on Dawn theme. Now click on try theme. And now it will be added to your online store themes. So as you can see right here, there is a new copy of the Dawn theme right here. So just wait for it to be uploaded to your themes. Now click on publish and you have easily restored your Shopify store. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.